Just a short video to restart the channel, showing off my Locksmith's Pimp cane. It's about 41 inches tall because I'm a giant. Made it with a mortise knob. Unfortunately, this one's not shiny anymore, but that's okay. Doesn't have to be. But it's nice, wide, flat top. Makes it real good for bearing down on. Unfortunately, being a giant is incredibly hard on joints sometimes. So I hate that I need a cane, but it was also a fun project. And we jump cut over the desk to show you this neat little thing. 3D printed a pen tray. Made it with the super shallow wells, just so you can do that. You can pick up your pens without needing tweezers. Works for my big fat fingers. These are Schlage number 0 pens. Works well with smaller things. As you can see, the wells are wide and kind of flat. There's another version of this that I printed at the shop that's got wider and deeper wells, and it works pretty well too. And we're going to jump again to one last thing here. You can make your own followers for the Schlage compressible cylinders. They always have this pain in the ass oval tailpiece. What you do is you take some 1/2 inch thin wall brass tubing, which, if I remember right, I got this at Ace Hardware. It's pretty cheap. You get about 1 foot. And you just notch the end there so that it'll slip over like that. And then you don't need to shim to use your follower. And then your other end, you can leave it plain, or you could notch it further to work for, mortise cylinders and other funny rim ones that have the weird ends.